Howdy, y'all. Hey, on my JTS 30 caliber I was talking about online, had a regulator problem. I just totally screwed up on that video. I actually deleted it. I had a friend talk to me. He said, "Hey man, it ain't that your bullets are going faster, it's that your pressure is too high and your hammer can't hit the valve and open it." And it's like, I already knew that, and I had posted the video and didn't think about it. Sometimes I get confused between powder burners and air guns and say the wrong things, and I need to slow down, pay attention to myself. So I'm sorry about putting out bad information. I have deleted that video too. So yes, you get too much pressure, the hammer can't open the valve because there's too much pressure against the valve, which in turn makes the velocity lower. And as you're dumping a little bit of air each time and your pressure is dropping, then it's able to open that valve a little more and a little more until it finally got to where it was hitting it. And like I said, it was about in that sweet spot. So all right, so built me a regulator tester. I don't know if y'all can see it from back there or not, but and couldn't get it to adjust for nothing, messing with it. And finally I took it apart, found that the seat was bad in it, so I built me a new seat for it. Came home, tested that, still the same problem. It just basically looked like pass-through. So I started inspecting it, took it all apart and started inspecting everything, all my tolerances, all my dimensions and stuff. And it ended up, the screw that you adjust to adjust your pressure, there's an O-ring on the end of it, and it's a 4 by 1.5 millimeter. So I got to inspecting it. The width was fine. The diameter of the groove was off by 12 thousandths. So basically, the air 3,500 psi was coming down, going right past it and right down into the tank, or into the plenum. So ended up doing some searching, and I think I could have gotten a 4 millimeter by 1.8, and that would probably work, but I had to order it in, a couple days to get here. So I went through our stash at work of O-rings and found a 007, which is very close to it. Put that on, that cured the problem. And it took me a little while to figure out how to adjust it properly. I mean, I got it, I screwed it down till it touched, backed it off at half a round. I got nothing. Backed it off another half a round. I started getting a little pressure, kept backing it up, and then all of a sudden it's like wham, 3,500 or more. And started tinkering with it, and then finally figured out, it's like once I fill it, I need to cycle it a few times and it'll settle down. So we finally got it settled down. Let me see, let me move the camera in here a little closer. We finally got it settled down here. See, it's right at 28, maybe a little bit more. So So now it's holding. All right. Hope y'all didn't get dizzy there on the camera. All right, so we have it set. Finally, man, this thing's been dragging on and on. It's got a lot of treads on it. And there's the regulator. And that little brass piece, it's got an O-ring that fits down in there. It's a 7mm shaft and a 7mm hole. Tolerancing for metric, those were within tolerance. It was just that O-ring groove itself was 12 thousandths undersized, only giving me 3 thou crush on the O-ring. So with the oversized O-ring that I got in it now, we're good. All right, now we can get the gun back together. Start the next phase of it. All right, so like I said, I'm sorry about putting out some bad information. I just got a lot going on, and I just inadvertently confused powder burners and air guns again. I got to slow down. I've been mainly doing air guns here lately, so all right. Appreciate everybody watching. Really do. I know I get boring sometimes, but glad for y'all to hang in with me. So thanks for watching, everybody.